Welcome to the digital underworld. Today we are exploring the power of adverse media. Adverse media is a very powerful tool for due diligence, but it is not foolproof reliable. It is important to include in a media search all the relevant information on a prospect and a client. Pseudonymity, a missing middle name, or no media presence at all can turn out to be a useless effort. This video is divided into 3 parts. We will describe and explain what is adverse media. We will discuss the power of adverse media, and we will explain how to use adverse media effectively. Adverse media is any negative information about a person or entity found in public sources. This can include news articles, social media posts, court records, and even the dark web contents. You will include these, or you can find these in news reports such as investigations, scandals, or criminal activity. You will include social media such as negative comments, suspicious activity, or even financial scams. Court records include lawsuits, bankruptcy, or criminal convictions, and the dark web includes illegal activities, financial fraud, or connections to the criminal underworld. While it might sound ominous, adverse media can be a valuable tool for uncovering hidden risks. The power of adverse media is extremely useful to fight against financial crime. Always consider conducting a risk assessment to identify potential risks associated to individuals and/or businesses. Fraud prevention will enable you to uncover red flags that indicate any possible fraudulent activity. Reputation management is necessary to make sure that you protect your own reputation by monitoring adverse media. By understanding the power of adverse media, you can make better informed decisions to protect yourself and your business from potential financial loss. Be very careful, because when you are seeking information in places like Google, you may typically want to just search the first 20 results that it provides you. Continue scrolling, and if you can continue through more than 100 search results, you will be able to uncover more information that you were not expecting to find. All adverse media is not necessarily an indication of bad reputation either. Sometimes cases displayed in media were either resolved and a person was exonerated from the bad press for reasons such as misunderstandings and false accusations, among others. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like of this video, and please leave comments so that we can become a better content provider for you. How to use adverse media effectively. You need the right tools and knowledge, such as data collection, utilizing advanced search tools and databases to gather information. Use apps and Google to obtain these results through these searches. Analysis. Carefully evaluate information and look for patterns and/or inconsistencies. Verification. Cross-reference every single piece of information that you have from multiple sources to verify and confirm accuracy. And risk assessment. Determine the potential impact of adverse media in your decision-making process. Adverse media should be frequent and constant, not only at client enrollments, but on a constant basis thereafter. It may unlock unseen risky customers, and remember the scenario that we shared earlier. By following these steps, you can harness the power of adverse media to your advantage. Adverse media is a double-edged sword. It can reveal hidden dangers and hidden risks, but it can also be misused. Use it wisely and responsibly. Be careful when the false positives occur and the false negatives occur, and make sure that you are able to verify them, accept them, or discard them.